Everybody, this is Beach Cricket. The wheels are always turning for me in my head. I'm always trying to think of clever ways to make it easier for the van life. And I'm trying out something today because it's been cold and the windows are the source that really come in and make it purr. So what I've done is on the windows here, the little square windows that pull out like this, I have decided to cut. Now this is a window shade that I bought, a black one that you put in the window, and I've cut them in two segments. I put foam. This is like a camping foam mat, and I'm using it to go in between that and some regular Reflectix. So it's already Reflectix on this side with the black on the outside. The inside is Reflectix in there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there you go. So I've stapled them, and let's see how that looks. Alrighty, let me put it up in the window. Okay, and this is how it looks once it's placed in the window. I made it extra long so that the top could seal a little bit tighter on the fit around the window for drafts. I also had to cut a little notch around the little latch that opens up the window so that it'll fit securely in there. But that's how it fits in there. And let's see what we can look outside and see how it looks from the outside, because the outside is black. You want to turn the black side on that way, facing the direction of the people. Well, let's go out there and see how my handiwork turned out. Now it's still a little bright out here, so I'm hoping that it will still show up pretty good. Alright, oh yeah, you can see it. See the pretty landscape in the background too. I'm at a Walmart because I came here to buy the black shade specifically for this project. Yes, that looks good. Looks fantastic. All right. Now, my messy van. Need to tidy up the van after I get this project completed on the other window. It's messy right now. Van life. This is the real deal here. Anyway, I think with the foam, it's going to add a little bit more to insulating the windows and not make it so chilly. So anyway, I hope that helps you. Everybody go out and wake up and live, have adventures, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Beach Cricket out. Bye.